Hi, Ria. Hi, King Queen. Hi, Rubina Merchant. Hi. Hi, Preeti Mittal. Hi, Sunny Babbar. Hi, Varkha ji. Hello, Shavik. Hi, Minaklini joined. Okay, hi, Minaklini ji. Hi, Amit. Hi. Hi, Mr. Jen. Okay, hi, it's Ning Ming. Okay, nice. Hi. Hi, Aisha. Okay, so today we've come live with the designs. हम लोगों ने अभी पोल किया था कुछ दिन पहले जिसमें आप सब ने कहा कि हमें अपने डिजाइन्स दिखाने चाहिए लाइव एंड दैट इज द रीजन व्हाई वीव कम टुडे. आपके लिए आए हैं बहुत ही प्यारी वेडिंग कलेक्शन टू स्टार्ट विथ. सबसे पहले मैं आपको दिखाऊंगी शिमर के पीसेस. शिमर सिल्क इज वेरी पॉपुलर राइट नाउ. सिल्क एज इट इज विंटर्स में बहुत चलता है. सो लेट मी स्टार्ट विद दिस गाइस. ये बिल्कुल लेटेस्ट कलेक्शन है हमारी. एज यू कैन सी हियर ये पीसेस बिल्कुल अभी मार्केट में लिटरली खुले हैं. और रेंज ऑफ कोर्स इफ यू लाइक एनी पीस you have to ping me with a screenshot and I'll tell you the price, but for now अभी आपको सिर्फ pieces दिखाएंगे. So this is all in shimmer silk as you can see here. It's got beautiful embroidery और ये पूरा embroidery नीचे घेरे तक जाएगा and it has a beautiful दुपट्टा to go with it. shimmer दुपट्टा है, shimmer shirt का fabric है, unstitched है, so size is not going to be an issue. Anybody can get it made. And it comes with the shantoon bottom. So this is just one color. इसी में ही आपके 3 कलर और आ जाएंगे. सो टोटल 4 कलर्स है. एनी कलर दैट यू वांट कैन बी परचेस्ड. सो दिस इज द सेकंड कलर. दिस इज अ ग्रीन कलर. अगेन शिमर फैब्रिक, ब्यूटिफुल एम्ब्रॉयडरी एज यू कैन सी और फुल्ली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड है फ्रंट में. एंड दिस इज द दुपट्टा. अगेन दुपट्टा इज ऑल्सो फुल्ली एम्ब्रॉयडर्ड एंड दिस इज द बॉटम गाइज. एंड आई विल शो यू मोर कलर्स. This is the light green color. It's a beautiful color as you can see. Another one with lovely embroidery. उसी का ही shade है. Yes, people who are asking ये उसी का ही shade है. So I'll quickly run through all the 4 shades. This is my personal favorite. It's a lilac color. So guys here, this is the lilac color again, fully embroidered as you can see. And these are 4 different shades available in the first design that I showed you, which is in shimmer fabric, shirt, dupatta and bottom shantoon. Now going on to the next one. Okay, this is another one in shimmer. You might think कि हम shimmer क्यों दिखा रहे हैं ज़्यादा, because अभी टाइम है जब आप weddings के लिए, gifting के लिए रेंज उठा रहे हैं. अभी टाइम है जब you need these kind of pieces. wedding के cards distribute करने हैं, आना जाना है. So these are the kind of pieces you need. This is a beautiful mustard guys. It's again in shimmer as you can see here. Lovely embroidery if you can all see. It's patchwork with zari. And you have a beautiful shimmer dupatta. It's a printed dupatta here. And you've got lovely scalping. As you can see on the dupatta, detailing के साथ में. And you have your shantoon bottoms. This comes in a single color. And again, it's an unstitched piece. तो obviously size का कोई issue नहीं रहेगा. Because unstitched piece में आराम से 2.5 मीटर से भी ज़्यादा fabric निकल आता है. तो anybody who's after 50 size, 55, 60, up to 70 easily बन जाता है with sleeves. So going on to the next design guys. This again is shimmer. Like I said, आज हम shimmer ज़्यादा दिखा रहे हैं because this is the need of the hour. But this has got gota work. Beautiful work as you can see here. I hope you can all see the work. और ये work पूरा आपका नीचे घेरे तक जाने वाला है. It's a lovely shimmer piece. इसका दुपट्टा लेकिन शिफॉन में रहेगा, लेकिन शिफॉन दुपट्टे पे भी पूरा लेस वर्क है. लेस वर्क है इसके बॉर्डर्स पे भी. And you have your shantoon bottoms. This comes in 4 different colors again. So I'm going to show you all the colors. Colors are pastel. So what it does, ये आपके टोन को subtle कर देता है. Shimmer fabric है, लेकिन टोन सटल है. So this is your pastel green. I'll show you the other color. This one is a beautiful purple, as we can all see. Here is the embroidery, guys, and there you go. ये आपके घेरे पे काम आ रहा है. And of course, you know, this is the dupatta and this is the shantoon bottom. I'll show you more colors. There we go. It's a beautiful piece here in pink, same work and shantoon bottoms, and the embroidery you can see here, guys. Okay, I'll show you the fourth color. It's lovely blue. You know, we all love this kind of blue. And there you go, beautiful embroidery. And ये सब brand new designs हैं. Literally market में कल खुले हैं और आज हम इन्हें ले आए हैं आपको दिखाने के लिए live. So be the first one to buy them and wear them. Okay. So this is my third design. Now I'm going to the next one. This is again shimmer. ये सब shimmer silk है जो मैं आप लोगों को दिखा रही हूँ. This again is a very subtle but very classy piece. You know, everybody needs good stuff and we're all not into very heavy, you know, झटका item. तो जिनको subtle पसंद है उनके लिए rich and classy and cream. इसका घेरा बहुत प्यारा है, guys. I hope you can see it here. It has got beautiful knots work on the घेरा. पूरा घेरे पे ये काम है. And it has a beautiful Banarasi dupatta to go with it. The Banarasi dupatta is all printed here. As you can see here, the Banarasi dupatta is printed and it has got shantoon bottom. So certainly for somebody who likes it subtle, rich and classy. So this is the fourth design. And we've come to a little tadak bhadak. So you know, everybody who likes it a little fancy और दूर से जो हम नजर आते हैं तो ये उनके लिए है. Again a shimmer, a beautiful shimmer unstitched piece once again. काम हो रखा है गले पे. As you can see, it's beautiful thread work. And ये नीचे से थोड़ा subtle है और दुपट्टा इसका बहुत प्यारा है. On the dupatta you can see all the scalping and all the embroidery here. There you go, guys. And this is the bottom to go with it. This again comes in two different colors and I'm just showing you the color. This is my second color. Okay. Guys, I hope we are still connected. Okay. So this is the other color in the pattern that I showed you. It's shimmer fabric and shimmer dupatta and shantoon bottoms to go with it. The neck is embroidered and so is the dupatta, as you can see here. Okay, so two colors in this design. So this is my fifth design. Okay, and now I've got some organza for you. Organza is one fabric जो हमारा सारा साल चलता है. Of course इसमें lining लगेगी because organza without lining cannot be made. But you know what? It's very pretty. It's a print. It's a digital print पूरा और इस पे पूरे पे embroidery है, as you can see. There we go. So this is all jarkan and gota work. इसको पूरा highlight कर रखा है. And it's a full length piece. Again full fabric. तो size का कोई issue नहीं रहेगा. किसी को bell sleeves बनवाना है, किसी को design pattern बनवाना है sleeves पे, you know, anything. Or if you want to use the fabric on the pants को design करवाना है तो वो सब इसमें हो सकता है. It's a beautiful dupatta again printed here, and this is the bottom. Okay, one more I'm showing you in organza. There we go. So this is another print, digital print again on organza. Beautiful embroidery, as you can see. इससे पहले जो मैंने आपको दिखाया था वो all over embroidered था. इस पे neck पे work है. So beautiful neck work. It's got pearl work and cut dana. और ये पूरा आपका नीचे घेरे पे भी काम रहेगा, as you can see here. And this is the bottom to go with it, again with a printed dupatta. Again size no issue, and latest designs like I'm telling you again and again. Something again a little subtle yet classy. This is on linen, and linen again is another rich fabric which is worn throughout the year. And here you go, guys. You have beautiful embroidery here. पूरा Swarovski का इसका गला बना हुआ है और इसका जो pattern है वो बहुत ही pretty है. I hope you can see from here. So this is the pattern, and it's exactly same on the back. ये same print आपको back पे भी मिलेगा, and it has a beautiful printed dupatta. There we go. And again, I mean, the price is unbelievable. You know, you have to ping me to check the price and you'll be super surprised कि कितना amazingly priced है, yet super classy है. Again, size no issue because it's an unstitched one. This is another one, guys. This is again in shimmer. ये shimmer pure silk है. I know many times you get it कि सिल्क है, प्योर है, नहीं है, बट हम आपको बताएंगे जहाँ प्योर सिल्क होगा वहाँ आपको मेंशन किया जाएगा प्योर है, जहाँ मिक्स्ड है वहाँ आपको बताया जाएगा कि मिक्स्ड है. ओके, सो गाइस, दिस इज अनदर वन इन शिमर सिल्क, एज यू कैन सी हियर, एंड इट हैज ब्यूटिफुल एम्ब्रॉयडरी on the neck, and then it has a beautiful ghera as well. Ghera is all highlighted, and there we go. It has a shimmer dupatta to go with it. Again, size no issue. It's a beautiful color, pastel color है, green का tone है of course, and printed है, साथ में highlighted भी है, और pure silk में आएगा, shimmer silk दुपट्टा and shimmer silk shirt fabric. And thank you for being super patient. This is the last item of the day that I wanted to show you today. We've got muslins as well. As muslin is a fabric जो सारा साल चलता है. Beautiful muslins we have in 2 different colors. As you can see, the neck is embroidered. It's all printed, and of course it has a beautiful dupatta. Printed dupatta, a printed shirt, yet embroidered on the neck, and you have your shantung bottoms, again embroidered too. Okay, so this comes in 2 colors, and of course anything you want to purchase, please send me a screenshot. We'll share the details, and stay tuned. We'll be bringing you more options every other day, and thank you for joining once again. Follow us for new designs. Every day we post. ये सब post किए जाएंगे full details के साथ अभी हमारे page पे. So always stay tuned, on Instagram, YouTube and Facebook at Royal Chick by Preeti. Thank you so much for joining.